This is the question paper of 2024 of Assam High Secondary Council. The first question is, what is personal disposable income? So personal disposable income is what? Income after payment of tax. Whatever is left to us for our consumption and saving is called what? Personal disposable income. The second question is function of commercial bank. The first and foremost function of commercial bank is to what? To accept deposits and advance loans. And this is the primary function of commercial bank. If it is come for 1 mark, you can write this. If it comes for more marks, you can elaborate. Third question is net indirect taxes are estimated as, the correct option is option C, indirect taxes minus subsidies. The next question is, give two examples of capital expenditure. Capital expenditure is that expenditure which will either create asset or reduce liability. For example, acquisition of land, buildings, investments in assets, and so on. The next question is, what kind of budget government adopts at the time of inflation? Government adopts surplus budget because it reduces what? It reduces money supply in the economy. Government receipts are more than government expenditure. So this is the budget. The next question is, on order to encourage investment, the central bank will adopt which of the following measures? The answer is, the central bank will reduce CRR, because when the central bank reduces CRR in the economy, it increases the money supply to the economy, and when money supply increases, it brings more investment because the rate of interest will fall and the investors will borrow money and invest in various sectors. This is the 2023 question. The first question is, what is an intermediate good? Intermediate good is that good which is for resale. Suppose a sack of rice is brought to a house and consumed by the household, then it's a final good. But the same sack of rice is brought in the restaurant and it is prepared some fried rice or biryani, then it's a what? Intermediate good. The next question is, if MPS is equal to 1, what is the value of MPC? It's for that we have a very interesting formula. The formula is what? MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. The formula is what? The MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. So when MPS plus MPC is equal to 1, so MPC will be equal to 1 minus MPS. So 1 MPS is given how much? 0.5. So 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. The next question is, primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit. Let me hold for some time. The next question is, which of the following is not a quantitative credit control measure of the central bank? The central bank has two methods. One is qualitative and other one is quantitative. So quantitative are what? Bank rate, open market operation, variable reserve ratio, that is CRR, SLR, and so on. Direct control is what? Is a qualitative method. So the answer is what? Qualitative method, D. The next question is, one merit of flexible exchange rate. So flexible exchange rate is that exchange rate where exchange rate is determined by process of demand and supply. $1 will be exchanged with how much of rupees is determined by demand and supply is called what? Flexible exchange rate. So please comment the question number 3. Primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit minus what? And what is GDP deflator? That's all. Thank you.